Today I'm going to show you how to create an employer account on Indeed. So if you are looking for a job or looking for side hustle, an opportunity, but you also have the need to hire somebody else, then while you are on this page over here, you can click on the top right hand side. It says employers and /post jobs. So here you'll be redirected to this page. Click on post a job, and here you will be able to start posting a job. So let's just go ahead here, and here you want to click on hiring as employee. We're going to now create a job. Okay, so you are going to create an employer account. So you need to add in your company name, your first name, last name, how you heard about this, and then your phone number. All right, so here you now have quite simply a company account. And here we've clicked on the create new, and we are going to add a new job. Here you can add your job basics, such as the job title, location, and then you're going to click on continue. You're going to add more information about this actual job, but ultimately you now have an employer account or a company account on Indeed. And my suggestion always to navigate between these two is just bookmark the page. You can come back to it easily. You can also click up over here. You'll be able to see additional settings. You can click on this company page. You'll be able to see your company page as an overview. And then if you want to go back to your employer page, you can go and visit Indeed for job seekers. That'll take you back to your previous account.